These men that you have selected or elected as your traditional rulers, also your responsibilities from today onwards. Many will find this segment a little bit uncomfortable. That is true. Nothing mandates a community to have a traditional. There is no law that says you must have a traditional. There is no such law. But if you've chosen to have one, that office is also the responsibility of the community. It's the responsibility of the community to by that office. That's what it is. The UK level monarch. Okay? Now okay, Charles. Yes. They take care of the monarch. Take care of the office. Each Igbo belongs to a community. It doesn't belong to state government. Doesn't belong to the local government. It's Igbo of the community. Or the community make the decision and the choice. Now, actually, Igbo, the community must also take responsibility to maintain the institution of Igbo in their communities. This point is not quite understood by many, but it bears emphasis. I mean, repeating that is what it is.
Obuja ni ba ka de mo na.